The Tale of Two Water Jugs. In an Indian legend, there was a man who carried two large water jugs each day, tied to the ends of a wooden pole placed over his shoulder to bring water back home. One of the jugs was old and cracked, showing signs of wear with small leaks that caused it to lose half of its water on the way. The man continued this routine for 2 years, with the old jug feeling embarrassed that it could only fulfill half of its purpose. The other jug was new and proud, believing that it was fulfilling its duty perfectly as it carried the full load. However, the old and cracked jug couldn't help but feel ashamed that it was only able to perform half of its intended task, even though it knew that these cracks had been earned through years of service. One day, as the man prepared to draw water from the well, the old jug decided to speak up. I apologize to you. Throughout the time you've used me, I've only been able to deliver half of my content, leaving those at your home still thirsty. The man chuckled and replied, "When I return, pay attention to the path." When he came back, the old jug noticed that on its side of the path, beautiful flowers and plants had grown, while the other side remained barren. The man pointed out, "See how much more beautiful nature is on your side. I always knew you had cracks, and I decided to make use of them. I sowed the seeds of vegetables and flowers on your side of the path. You watered them every day, and now I have fresh produce for my family thanks to you. If you weren't cracked, how could I have achieved this?" This story holds a valuable management lesson. A good manager is not someone who achieves acceptable results with the best resources, but rather a successful manager who makes the best use of every member of the team.